a little bit of a summit replay here. We've been going through the last two sessions we heard from were Gun Wang, reversing the inevitable decline of individual giving by really recruiting more volunteers, as we see that more and more people just want to be able to have an impact in their community. And there's a great overlap between volunteerism and donation. So if you're able to just start with who is behind you, who is really a champion for your mission, and being able to leverage their skills and then make a thoughtful ask. And then lastly, just now from Julie, she had just such great tips on creatively engaging the board with a marketing mind, to have the knowledge of, how much to ask and when, to be thoughtful and sensitive to those topics, and also be really, really strategic and specific when it comes to putting out all the financial information. So all of her details, all of her key points and phrases and titles to use in all of the documents, that's all going to be shared in our session notes and slides and recordings. Those will all be sent to you sometime next week, probably early next week, mid next week. So keep an eye out for that in your email. A little bit about CauseVox for those of us still on and or maybe new to our webinar today. CauseVox helps you craft unique fundraising experiences. And you heard from Rob Wu, our CEO and co-founder, a little bit earlier that his goal is to help create unparalleled customization for each organization, whether you're a small, medium, or large nonprofit. CauseVox has tools at every level, and it's all no code. So no coding required, and you can build stunning campaigns for any fundraising, whether it's for year-ending Giving Tuesday that's coming up, or a DIY event, or maybe a gala, peer-to-peer, anything, really, you name it, ticketing. We help you use empowered storytelling techniques through our module-based web editors that helps you craft something truly unique to your organization. And so basically, whatever you can envision, you put it, build it with our little building blocks, so to speak, rearrange the layout, and you get something completely custom and elevated to make fundraising more engaging. We also help you engage fundraisers and donors in a fun way using dynamic elements. And the speakers spoke a little bit about actually maybe just that main one about matching gifts. So if you're able to secure a matching gift, which is a really great technique to drive urgency for more and more donations on a particular campaign. Yeah, if you can secure that gift and you're using CauseVox, for example, to run that campaign, we have an automated way for you to display the gift opportunity, the match opportunity right on your campaign. So you don't have to track how many dollars, you don't have to manually track how many dollars were used up of the gift. That's all done, and it's fully integrated in the CauseVox platform. So the donors will see it on the form. They'll see their gift plus the match amount reflected in the progress bar and in the donation counter. All automated and completely visible to the donor. All right, enough about CauseVox, more about you. All right, I'm going to put this through my handy dandy tool. All right, drum roll, please. This is for the next two winners of our chat challenge. I think that's what it should be called, chat challenge. So you'll be able we'll be processing a $20 donation to an organization or charity of your choice. Just one second here. Everything happening live takes a little bit longer sometimes. Okay, I have my first name. Jenny Jones. Is Jenny Jones in the house? Congratulations. for reaching out to us so many times and participating in the second section of our summit today. All right, our second winner. Da-da-da-da-dum. Denise Jaswiak. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing your name correctly. I'm sorry if I'm not, but thank you, Denise and Jenny, for your participation today. It's been a pleasure. All right. I will be sure to reach out to you next week about processing those donations.